Iberian explorer, Viking Vela, January 2026.
ABBA night tonight in the main theater of Viking Vela. What can I say? ABBA, it's always a successful night. Doesn't matter if you're doing silent disco or just a dancing night or a show on stage. Okay, tonight on Viking Vela showed me once again that Viking cuts so many corners for entertainment. And the sound that we heard in the theater was with auto-tune, and you'll have the chance to see and to hear the real sound without auto-tune. Amateurish, I would say. Come on, it's Viking Cruises. You are selling an upgraded experience, elevated experience, and the only thing that you can do in one evening selling between Cartagena to Malaga is to kill all ABBA hits. Is that the right solution? The perfect recipe for a disaster?
So brave and we were young and full of life, and none of us prepared to die. And I'm not ashamed to say the roar of guns and cannons almost there that night. The stars would cry, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando.
If you don't like ABBA, the other alternative for evening entertainment is a suicidal pianist in the atrium, or playing puzzles or cards in the living room. What you'll choose?
Iberian explorer.